Misalignment is the deviation of relative shaft position from the collinear axis of rotation when equipment is running at normal operating conditions. Even flexible couplings can only function with small amounts of misalignment. A misaligned machine can cause serious issues such as seal failure, bearing failures, energy loss, increased vibration, and excessive heat. So, it is important to detect the signs early on to prevent catastrophic failure. Some common signs that might indicate misalignment are: 1. The wear or failure of machine components. This includes coupling, bearings, belts, seals, or other parts. The wearing down of grooves, discoloration, or disfiguring. 2. Shifting or strain of attached piping or base plates. This creates abnormal stress on pump bearings, seals, couplings, and can possibly change the displacement of a pump. 3. Loose shim packs. This may be a sign of soft foot for a number of reasons. Your machine might not be sitting flush on the machine foundation. 4. Increased power consumption. Variables such as motor efficiency and load can greatly affect how much power is needed to run a machine and the associated costs. 5. Increased noise and vibration. If a machine is loud and vibrating excessively, it could be a sign of a number of things, including misalignment. Misalignment is a serious issue if unaddressed, but if you know how to look for these signs, you can successfully avoid damage to your machines and ensure